of Montgomery Pond by Amber, Erica, and Latrice.
Our course of study objectives was Grade 3, Standard 6, create representations to explain the unique and diverse life cycles of organisms other than humans. Examples, flowering plants, frogs, butterflies, including commonalities such as birth, growth, reproduction, and death. We chose to focus on frogs and tadpoles' life cycle. Our pre-trip activities include learn the life cycle of a tadpole and frog, create a field guide, make binoculars, and discuss safety procedures to follow while around a body of water. Trip activities included documenting tadpole and frog at different stages of life in our field guide, take notes about other observations such as food and habitat. A frog life cycle includes eggs, tadpoles, tadpole with 2 legs, tadpole with 4 legs, froglet with tail, froglet with short tail, and frog.
Our common frog facts for kids. There are over 6,000 species of frog worldwide. The first land animals with vocal cords. Frogs do not need to drink water as they absorb it through their skin. And West Africa is the largest frog in the world. It can grow up to 15 inches and weigh up to 7 pounds. This is the entrance to the pond. Here you will find
Toad eggs. This is our tadpole habitat where we saw the most tadpoles.
students will be able to sit in this area and have lunch after their visit to the pond.
After our trip, we decided that we would do a writing activity for our students. The students will have to determine what happens in each stage of the life cycle. Following this, we can also have a discussion about what stages they saw while visiting the pond. Lastly, we will do an assessment on our objective, which is to identify the stages of the life cycle of a tadpole. Picture is one of the worksheets that we can use to assess this objective. Finally, for the assessment, students will be identifying eggs, tadpoles, froglets, and frogs. The students will be able to identify or not identify this, which will be graded on a checklist rubric.